Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to learn about the basic tutorial of Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. Let's open Premiere Pro. After opening Premiere Pro, you will be welcomed by this interface. So on the left, you can see new project and open project. So if you want to create a new project, you can click on this. And if you are working on some project and you want to open that, you can click on open project. For now, we will create new project. So here you should type the project name. I will give a name as, and you can choose location over here. So mine it is default location. So nothing else to change. Now create this. So after creating, you will get to import some of the medias if you want to. But right now, we will skip it and you can see this interface over here. I want to explain it in detail. So I have created one video. You just watch that and later on I will explain. So now, as you saw the video, now I will explain it in detail. So this is the preview tab. Now I will import and clip on the timeline. I will double click it. Now you can see this preview. So here you can watch this video, and if you want to import some certain clips, you can just drag and drop from here, or you can mark it and mark out. That I will explain it in advanced Premiere Pro tutorial if needed. So now we go to next one, project panel. So as you can see in this project panel, while I move the playhead, you can see the videos are moving. So basically, whatever you edit in your timeline, that will be appear on this project tab, yeah, panel. So this is the media panel. So in this media panel, you can import your audios, videos, and pics. That's it, nothing else. And this is the toolbar basically used for editing. I'll explain it in detail. And this is the timeline. So whatever clip you import. So for example, I will import this clip from here to here. And I will show you later on how to edit on those. But for now, whatever you clips imported in media tab, you have to import to timeline also to edit this. So this is the audio. This is the audio meter where you can see the decibels moving here and there according to your audio. This is the effect panel where you can find this lots of effects, video effect, transition, audio effect, and many more. And these are the shortcuts. You can say quick export. Then if you want to see any open progress dashboard, you can over it here. And if you want to full screen of your interface, you can do that too. And as you saw, this is the import one, edit, and currently we are working on, and this will be the export. So, and here you can see this menu bar, file, edit, clip, sequence, markers, graphic and titles, view, window, and help. We will see it later. For now, we will edit one clip quickly. So I will import all these clips right now. So you can see I have imported all the clips on the timeline, and I will import an audio too. So let's edit one. I will take razor tool. I will just hover it on the clip and I will just click on it. For shortcut, you can just press C. So we don't want this rest of the part, so we will delete it. Now the next clip. So you want to add some effects like transition, mainly we use cross dissolve. Just drag it and apply over here. So after this, you can see I will apply this. And we don't want these part like it's so lengthy, but we want to keep it shorter. So just click on this clip and here you can trim it down. There are a lot more to learn, but this is the quick one. So now let's come to export. Here you can see file name, location, preset format. So file name, if you want to change, you can change it. And if you want to change the location, also you can change the location. And here you can see the preset. You can change it to high quality, match medium bitrate, adaptive low bitrate. But right now I'm using adaptive high bitrate. And format, basically we use H.264 for any videos like YouTube or any other videos. So I have set it in H.264 itself. And now you can see here the range. You can also click to source into our work area or custom. But right now we have choose entire source, so the entire source will export it out. And here you can see export. Just click export, and your video will be exported into your saved location. That's it. This is the short tutorial and quick tutorial I want to show. If you want any other tutorials, do let me know in the comment. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep editing.